20,000-page report about Micron's impact on the region is revealing new details about the company's little-known plan to rely on railroads.
News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan explains how this makes life better for people on roads and highways in the northern suburbs.
When Micron construction begins this year, one of the first features to go up is what's called a rail spur, an extension to the existing CSX line so train cars can pull off right next to Micron's developing campus.
The rail spur is really important. The amount of trucks that would come in and out of that community each day would be onerous. And so by building this, that will take the ability to bring all that fill into the site and other materials by rail. Micron will use it for the next 16 years.
To build the megafab, Micron's contractors plan to remove 1.5 million cubic yards of unsuitable soil and ship in 9 million cubic yards of more appropriate fill. 60 rail cars will be unloaded daily. A conveyor system will get the materials across Codnoy Road. Proximity to the railroad is now viewed as a benefit, but it wasn't always. It was almost a detriment.
We had to prove that that rail line there did not create vibrations. So at first it was a hindrance to the site, but once we had the studies showing that it won't create the vibrations, which could hurt the manufacturing process of the chip, then we checked that box.
Once the fabs are running, the rail spur can be used to transport some equipment, but Micron promises nothing hazardous. In the town of Clay, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.
And Micron's full environmental impact report can be found on localspr.com.
State lawmakers continuing to push for their districts to be home to the governor's proposed new nuclear power plant. That includes State Assemblyman Will Barclay, whose district covers most of Oswego County. Of course, the Port City already has 3 reactors, and Barclay says a 4th will be very beneficial to the region.
We have a strong workforce. We know what we're doing. Land, obviously, got to be near water. So we have all those. I think there's 1,600 acres at the facilities that are adjoined currently now. So there's plenty of space for it. And I think the demand was one, too. And with Micron coming to central New York, our electricity demand is going to go through the roof.
Governor says the new plant would create 1,200 permanent jobs along with 1,600 construction jobs.